I'm always looking for a faster, better, and easier way to wash my car. So I purchased this Adams Polishes Premium Foam Gun to foam up my car during car washes. Now, I really love that this tool creates and sprays foam over my whole car, soaking the dirt to make it easier to remove without scratching the paint, totally without the need for a pressure washer. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use it and show you why I love it. And I'll share a couple of things that, well, just aren't quite perfect. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description below. This foam gun is perfect for spraying any kind of spray foam, including Adams Mega Foam, and works great because there's no pressure washer needed. All you need to do is attach it to your garden hose. It produces rich wash foam, and it increases that lubrication on your car to avoid any kind of scratches during car washing. And it has this quick disconnect hose to let you get back to rinsing your car's wheels, tires, and other exterior components quickly and easily. It has stainless steel fittings and dual threaded lid for maximum long life, wide fan sprayer for maximum coverage, 4 dilution ratios to control just how much soap you want to run through, and give you wide coverage while cutting down on your wash time significantly. And it's made in USA. You gotta love that. And they have their 110% satisfaction guarantee. And it's super easy to use. You just simply add your water in here first, then 3 to 5 ounces of your favorite car shampoo to thoroughly mix in this 35-ounce canister. If you're using Adams Mega Foam, we recommend 2 to 3 ounces. And you just adjust your dilution ratios. I recommend the medium one. Spray onto your car, disconnect by the convenient disconnect to use the same spray nozzle for rinsing your car. Now, it does produce a large amount of foam, but not as much as an actual foam cannon. But remember, you need a pressure washer for one of those. Also, make 100% sure that you clean and wash it out after each use, because any leftover chemicals inside it will clog it. This Adams foam gun has completely changed my car washing routine, and I absolutely love the end result that I get with my beautiful clean car. Click here for my complete car washing video, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.